Good afternoon, I'm Steve Linson, Interim Superintendent. Today we are here for our last episode of Classroom Chronicles. We are here at Kent Ridge High School, and we're going to be visiting Mrs. Gibson's Spanish class as they prepare for a quiz. Ms. Gibson, what are we doing today?
So the kids have been learning about their body parts and then how to talk about accidents and what kind of things they have to do. And if they go to the doctor, they will be able to express what is happening and understanding when they tell them what kind of things they have to do to go home, take care, and that kind of stuff.
Very good,
So,
very good.
Yeah.
How do you think they're going to do on their quiz?
I don't know, for what I saw today, they look like they're gonna do pretty good, but they're a really smart class and they're like really good kids, so yeah.
Great. Thank you so much for letting us visit you today.
Oh, thank you. Anytime.
Ok, próximo.
Sí, el tobillo está muy hinchado. Es probable que tengas que andar con muletas por 1 o 2 semanas.
Ok, vamos a comenzar de nuevo. Camila, sí, el tobillo está muy hinchado.
Yes, your ankle is very sore.
Muy bien. Ortopédico. Good. Ok, so si tú tienes una herida, ¿qué usa el médico para cerrar la herida? Puntos. Muy bien.
I'd like to thank you once again for joining us in our last episode of Classroom Chronicles, and we will see you in the fall.